All right, there's definitely an update when it's coming to Voyager Digital. They have court that's coming up on August 4th. It's going to be at 11 a.m. It's going to be on the New York Southern District Bankruptcy Court. Today, there's a lot of dockets that came out. A docket is just a document. I'm going to show it to you right now. If anybody wants to read this firsthand, and I urge you to do this, whether you have stock, token, or a depositor of Voyager Digital, you should definitely be apprised of the situation and don't rely on YouTubers. Although I am the best in giving you guys the most updated information, definitely do your own research. I will be leaving a link to this in the description. As I said, please give me a like, share, and subscribe. This stuff is not easy. And this is going to be case number 22-10943 if you ever want to research yourself. There's currently 206 docket numbers. You guys can go through this on your own. I want you to go to document number 192, and this is why it's going to be very interesting. If you click on this document says Declaration of Stephen Ehrlich in support of the debtor's motion for entry of an order. So I know that this was written by his attorneys, but this is like a statement for him. He's endorsing this, and this is what's going to be brought up to the judge. It's very important to read through this. Number 1, authorizing debtors to honor withdrawals from the MCFBO accounts. Those are the accounts where you have cash, and that's the cash that's in the Metropolitan Bank of New York, around $350 million. So it looks like he wants to be able to withdraw those funds and possibly give it back to all of the people that held cash on the exchange. I'm not an attorney. I'm not an accountant. I am literally a YouTuber. I'm not giving you guys an opinion one way or the other, and this is just how I read it. I could be right and I could be wrong. Definitely do your own research, but that's what it seems like to me. B, liquidate cryptocurrency from customer's account with a negative balance. So I guess if a customer doesn't have any money or it's a negative, they want to liquidate it. Sweep cash held in third-party exchanges. So I guess that there's some third-party exchanges where they had some cash held. They want to withdraw it from there. D, conduct ordinary course reconciliation of customers' accounts. I guess just balancing the books. E, continue staking cryptocurrency and also granting related relief. So I don't want to go through the entire court filing, although I could if you want me to, but I'm just going to abbreviate this really, really fast. 1, he says that the money held in the FBO accounts has nothing to do with their accounts and is going to be easy to give it back to the people that have the money on the accounts. Let's say personal accounts that's linked to their actual accounts with the bank account, so on and so forth. And that's how they know who has what, so on and so forth. 2, they started talking about staking cryptocurrency, and they said that during the court proceedings, if they're able to stake the cryptocurrency, then they can naturally be producing some income, producing some funds. Now, staking cryptocurrency is relatively safe if you do it the proper way and not doing it like super lending and things like that. For example, if they have Cardano, they could stake their Cardano. If they have DOT, they could stake their DOT. If they have whatever, there is some forms of positive staking and safe staking. If you read this on your own and you read background, then it's going to explain what's going on. This is what they're talking about. July 1st, 2022, the debtors made the difficult decision to halt trading. The debtors is who? That's Voyager Digital. And they said before the freeze date, the debtors operated their cryptocurrency platform in an ordinary course of business, among other things, including staking cryptocurrency and honoring withdrawals of cash from the MCFBO accounts, allowing customers to withdraw cash from the MCFBO accounts on an ongoing forward basis. They said, furthermore, debtors have been in close coordination with MC Bank, who filed a statement in support of the motion and the supplemental statement of docket number 177. So I guess they're supporting their case that, hey, let them withdraw their money from the bank accounts. And I promise you, Metropolitan Bank does not want to have your money in their accounts. It's only a headache right now. They want to be done with this. The official community of unsecured creditors of Chapter 11 cases, who I understand support the requested relief. For the reasons more fully set forth herein, I believe that the relief requested in the motion and the supplement is a sound exercise of the debtor's business judgment and would be in the best interest of the debtors, their estates, and other parties in interest. Who's the other parties in interest? You guys are probably the other parties in interest. Allowing customers to withdraw cash in the MCO FBO account will benefit the debtor's restructuring effort. So it does seem that they want to give back the $350 million to the people that actually had cash on Voyager. Although it doesn't solve all problems, this would definitely help a lot of people. Cash in the FBO accounts is held for the benefit of the customers and is not commingled with the debtor's cash. So it's completely 100% separate, and this is a very important thing to get you guys paid back. I believe the FBO accounts is only a small percentage of the money that's owed, but still, that's a lot of money that's going to go back to people that really need it. People are suffering right now, and this would definitely do some good in bringing up spirits and bringing up positive vibes for what's happening right now. Then they talk about continuing to stake cryptocurrency maximizes value for the benefit of all stakeholders. Staking cryptocurrency supports blockchain operation and generates revenue. I agree with that. I can't be mad at that. Let them generate some type of revenue. It's definitely going to help. And then it says the debtors staked up to 16 coins at any given time and earned an average yield of approximately 7%, generating approximately $51 million. So by staking, they're getting around 7%. This is not bad. They still have a lot of cryptocurrency, so they could generate millions and millions of dollars, whether it's going to help them fund operations, whether it's going to help them fund the lawyer fees, the court cases, so on and so forth. Remember, every dollar they spend to fund this court hearing is a dollar that you guys are going to lose. So if they could generate some money from staking, why not? And it's very important they wrote, staking cryptocurrency is not the equivalent of lending cryptocurrency. Look, court is going to be on August 4th. I hope you like this update. On August 4th, I'm going to be getting you a lot more information. We're going to see what happened in court. But if somehow they can get you your money off of the bank accounts and give back the $350 million, that's a small win. And if they can do some staking to generate some profits, that's also a big win. Don't hate on them right now. Don't be like, oh, they shouldn't be making any money. We want that staking rewards. Right now, they need money to function. So any money coming in that's not coming out of your actual accounts is definitely a positive thing. And they're definitely doing a distinction that staking is not lending, which is what I tell people all the time. These greedy lending platforms is what screwed up cryptocurrency. You could make returns on cryptocurrency through staking, but that's neither here or there and not part of this specific video. I hope you like this little update, and if you do, please give me that little like, share, and subscribe, because I don't think too many other YouTubers are giving you the type of well-rounded information that I'm giving you, not only about the court case, but about cryptocurrency in general. Thank you very much, and hopefully this is going to bring up some spirits if this goes through. Hopefully the judge sees it the same way I do, and hopefully I'm reading this correctly, and it's as I understand it, that people are going to be getting some of their cash back, and staking is going to produce some type of revenue so that that revenue doesn't have to come out of your pockets and your accounts. Thank you. Great day.